Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan, and today we are going to block or prevent URL in specific field in WP Form plugin in WordPress. Before starting work, as per request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are using WP Form plugin, and then you see we have text area field and text field. So we are going to block URL on specific field using form ID or field ID. Now go to dashboard. On left side you see plugin. So click on add new plugin. So we are going to install plugin to add some custom code, and then in custom code we are going to add field ID. Then in search plugin write WP code. So this is plugin WP code. Inside textarea and footer we will use. So you will install this plugin and activate it, and after activation on left side you see code snippet, and then you see add snippet. So click on it. So this is form we are using, and this is our field, and then you see when we click on this field, then you see general, and then in general you see field ID 8. So we are going to use this ID in our custom code. Now go to code section, and then you see add your custom code. So again click on it, and then you see select the code type. Now select PHP snippet. So click on it. Now create custom snippet section open, and then you can add title, and then you see code preview. Now paste code, and you will find this code in video description or in comment section. And then you see specific field ID 8. Now go to form. Now you see ID 8. So we are using this ID in custom code. Now you see, and then we are going to prevent URL in our specific field. So you can add your field ID, and then scroll down. You see inside method auto insert location run everywhere. On top you see inactive, now active, and then click on save snippet. Now snippet created and saved. Go to form page and refresh the page. Now we are going to add some information, and then you see single line text. So here we are going to add URL. Now paste. Now add some text, and then click on submit. So this form ID, field ID we added in custom code. Now you see no URL allowed. Form has not been submitted. Now you see error. Now back to custom code. So you can customize this error according to requirement. Now you see no URL allowed. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.